कठिन परिश्रम का फल हमेशा मीठा होता है। जो आज कठिनाई से मेहनत करता है वही कल सफलता की सीढ़ी चढ़ता है। A very warm greetings to everyone present here. I, Jagriti, a student of Vedanta International School. Today, I am honored to speak about the remarkable visionary, the Masiha of farmers, Sir Chotu Ram, and the enduring relevance of his ideology in the present social content. Sir Chotu Ram, often regarded as the Masiha of the farmers, was a pioneering leader and reformer in the pre-independence India. He was born in 1881 in Haryana. He devoted his entire life to uplift the sections of the society such as the farmers and the laborers. His contribution in the areas such as social justice and education is more relevant than ever. His contribution to farmers is just undeniable, for that not only the farmers of Punjab but the farmers of entire India considered him as their Masiha. चीर के जमीन को मैं उम्मीद बोता हूँ, चीर के जमीन को मैं उम्मीद बोता हूँ, अरे मैं किसान हूँ जनाब, चैन से कहाँ सोता हूँ. When the farmers are burdened under unjust taxes, debts, oppressive landlords, Sir Chotu Ram emerged as their protector. He established many cooperation, debt relief laws and fair pricing system that changed the history. मंजिल किसी की मोहताज नहीं होती, मंजिल किसी की मोहताज नहीं होती, इसे पाने के लिए जुनून जगाना पड़ता है. किसी के भरोसे रहकर कामयाब नहीं होते लोग, किसी के भरोसे रहकर कामयाब नहीं होते लोग, मेहनत को अपना दोस्त बनाना पड़ता है. His ideology reminds us of prioritizing those who feed our nation. In the present era, where issues such as inequality and discrimination exist, his vision of equality and justice is more relevant than ever. Understanding the power of education, Sir Chotu Ram told the need for quality education for all. He established schools to promote literacy, especially in rural areas. Let us never forget that the farmers are the true soldiers of our nation. They fight against nature, economic hardship, and oppressive landlords' injustice every day. Let us give them the honor and the respect they deserve. By doing so, we can ensure that the ideals of Sir Chotu Ram ideology continue to shape a brighter future. At last, I want to my pen down by saying, भारत की अखंडता ही भारत को विश्व गुरु बनाएगी, भारत की अखंडता ही भारत को विश्व गुरु बनाएगी, भारत की गौरव गाथाएं युगों युगों तक गाई जाएंगी, युगों युगों तक गाई जाएंगी. Thank you and have a nice day.